Ever wondered how to kickstart your health in a delicious way? Let's talk about superfoods. They are nutrient powerhouses that pack large amounts of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. Eating them may reduce the risk of chronic disease and extend your lifespan, but getting them into your daily diet can be a challenge, right? What if we told you there's a simple solution? A green smoothie. Imagine if you could consume a bunch of superfoods all at once in a delicious, easy-to-digest form. That's where our green smoothie comes in. Ready to unlock the secret to a healthier lifestyle? Our green smoothie is the answer. Let's dive into what makes this smoothie a superfood powerhouse. First up, spinach. This leafy green is not just for Popeye. It's packed with iron, which helps carry oxygen around your body, and vitamins A and C, essentials for a healthy immune system. Next, we have avocado. This creamy fruit is filled with heart-healthy fats and fiber to keep you feeling full longer. Then, we add chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a protein powerhouse and a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health. Finally, we add green apples. They add a touch of sweetness to the smoothie and come with their own bundle of fiber, helping to control blood sugar levels. Each ingredient in this smoothie is a superfood in its own right. Combined, they create a powerhouse of nutrition. So, what magic does this green smoothie weave on your health? Imagine a health potion that gives your body a boost, one that aids digestion, fortifies immunity, and provides essential nutrients. This green smoothie is just that, a power-packed blend of superfoods that helps maintain a healthy weight while nourishing your body. It's a powerhouse of goodness that your body deserves. Incorporating this green superfood smoothie into your diet is like giving your body a VIP pass to health and vitality. So, are you ready to embrace the power of superfoods? Then visit our blog and get blending. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and while you are at it, head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great smoothie tips and recipes.